today, magmumukbang challenge tayo. CDO, Karne, Norte, Mukbang challenge. Okay, so ganado challenge. Okay, go! Charge! So, Frankie,
Yes.
so how do you feel about this COVID? Itong lockdown, you're just here in the house.
I feel like very creative because I finally have my own time that I can, be myself.
Yeah.
Instead of being stressed in school or I can just finally relax.
So, you have time to relax.
Yeah.
Pero puro ka yata nood ng nood. Diba? You keep watching the whole day?
Not
Parang
the whole
ginagawa?
day. I paint as well. I paint.
What else do you do?
Well, I'm just getting ready things for my Father's Day
Oh, Father's Day, yeah.
this week, I think.
Yeah. Okay.
So, mommy, what's your favorite type of food from, lunch?
What do you think?
Rice.
Rice? Yeah. So, everything na may rice,
Masarap.
masarap, mga ulam. I like it.
Yeah.
Lahat ng ulam. Especially beef, pork. Ayan. So, itong CDO Karne Norte, it's perfect. Kasi pwede rin siya for breakfast, for lunch, or even for dinner. Diba? Depende sa recipe na ginagamit mo. How about you? Sorry. How about you? What do you like to eat? Nothing.
What I like to eat is CDO food and some stick of chocolate bread, chips, but I also like to eat rice.
Okay.
Who's your favorite dollar? So, who's your favorite dollar? You're Rafi.
Who's my favorite daughter? You're Rafi. None of the above.
Why?
Siyempre.
I mean, who do you like most to play with?
Rafi. But that is so pure.
Who do you love most?
Rafi. No. Siyempre, you're my first. You're my first. You're my panganay. And, yeah. And, you understand me. So, we can have these kinds of conversations.
You can fight with me?
We can fight with each other. Yeah. Yeah. So, okay. So how about you? Who's your favorite? Mom or dad?
Oh, I think it's you because Daddy always makes me nest for some reason. I don't know why.
What does he make you nest?
He's like "Nyeh, nyeh, nyeh, nyeh," and he's teasing Rafi. So I don't like people teasing Rafi because she's my only sister and she's so cute. Even though she makes a nest, it's kind of funny. But it's revenge if she fights Daddy. Because he always teases her every time Daddy comes home from work. He just sits down, eat dinner. After dinner, he fights her up. I remember.
That's his way of showing love.
Yeah, but
If he's making you Colette,
but it's kind of already his list. when he's talking traffic, I think it's okay, come home from work, eat dinner, fight Rafi.
that's like his schedule. Diba?
Wake up in the morning. Take a bath, fight Rafi.
What? I'm sure that's just dad's way of making you guys connect and bonding with you. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. So what do you enjoy most? The dumpling? The cheese eggplant? Or the egg omelette?
I like the dumpling and this one.
The cheese eggplant?
Yeah.
The carne morada? It's kind of crispy, right?
I love it.
You love it? Okay, bye. Cheers! Maganado ka ba?
Yeah.
May gana kumain?
Mm-hmm.
You know why? Sa CDO, when I started, cooking it out of the can, pag niluto mo siya, as in, amoy mo agad the smell.
Yeah.
Diba? It's very, fragrant. And even my ate, nung nasa labas siya, sabi niya, oh, bango. Yeah, and it makes the dishes masarap. Right?
You can smell it and you can taste it and it's very delicious.
You're talking your mother's full.
I just got to help myself from seeing how delicious the deal is.
Okay. So,
So cheesy. Love it.
okay. So, almost done. I think I won the challenge.
I have more.
You eat more, but yeah, I eat fast. Good job.